of Bahikhata demo series. In this video, I'll show you how you will manage and track all your business expenses using the business module, which is inside the purchase section, and then you can click on the expense module. In this screen, you will see a table which is empty right now. So I'll just show you how you will add one expense. You'll click on this add expense button, and the record expense or create expense page has been opened. So I'll click on the date. Let's say 5 weeks earlier I had one expense, and I will add it here. Electricity bill. Category name are predefined. We can select any one of them regarding to our need. Let's say electricity bill is utility, so we'll select this. Let's say it's 45K. And goods and services, so if it's a product we'll select good, and this is the services right now, so we'll select services. GST treatment, we will select either registered or unregistered, so it's a registered business. Then we can select source of supply. We can select the destination here, the state. We can select the tax, whether it's IGST 18 or CJ or SGST or CGST between the states. So this is happening beyond the state, so we'll select the IGST section. And amount is tax inclusive or exclusive, so let's say tax exclusive. Invoice number, we can add any number, let's say 101, and notes, we can add any notes of testing, and then we can click on save button. So once I click on save, my expense has been added in the list. So in this list, we are showing the purchase date, the expense name, the expense category, and what is the amount of the expense, then what is the type of the expense, the invoice number, and at the right hand side we have two action buttons, which is one is edit, where I can click on the edit button and I can edit any of my details. Let's say let's make it 35K instead of 45K, and I'll click on save. Once you'll update, the amount gets updated to the new one, and there is another action button, which is a delete button, which you will click and delete this completely entire entry. At the bottom we have pagination intact, and at the top we have three buttons, which is filter, download expense, and add expense. Add expense, I've already showed you how you can add expense, and then we have the download expense button, where we can download, and our list can be downloaded directly from by clicking on this button. I'll click on the downloaded file and show you how it will show. So the Excel will come like this. So we have only one entry right now, so one entry, all the details will be coming in this Excel. So I'll close this, and then we have another action button, which is a filter button. So we can filter out by either the expense name or the category, or we can filter out by from to date. Let's select one category, let's say food. So we don't have any of the food, so now it will show no data available. So I'll reset the filter. I again filter out by utilities. Now if I filter out by utilities, now our category is intact. So now our in the results, our product has been shown here, or our expense has been shown here. So again reset the filter. So this is a wrap on the expense module, and it's a very simple, fast, and it helps you to stay on top of your day-to-day spending. So I have shown you the overview of the expense module. Now in the next video I will explain you more about the purchase list and the purchase order. So if you like it, hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.